going to be unboxing my quick release steering wheel from iRace Auto and my NRG short hub. And then we'll be installing them on my 1987 RX7. So, here we have the DND suede leather steering wheel. It's pretty nice, it feels good. Yeah. It came with a carbon fiber DND horn, super good quality. Titanium screws, and all the wiring that you need. Okay. Ooh. We got some stickers. Awesome. Oh, candy. Comes with candy too. Oh yeah. And then here we have the NRG short hub. You just pick it up out of that box. Here it is. Going to be installing that today. So here's the hub, steering wheel. See the titanium bolts, carbon fiber cap, and the steering wheel, and then here's the hub. Yeah. Alright, we're going to install them. Now here's my 1987 RX7. Alright, we're going to... So we already took the steering wheel off, and we're basically just going to be putting it in. Alright. Okay, so here we have my NRG Innovations short hub that we're going to be putting on. Oops. Okay, so we already have the steering wheel off. We are going to, there's two dots, then there's two dots here too. Place those evenly, and then what we do is we're going to take your bolt, stock bolt, just tighten it on. Alright, pretty much that's that. You get a NRG Innovation sticker in the box as well. Yep. Cool. Next step, I guess we're putting the steering wheel in. So we now have the short hub in, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to be installing my DND 6-bolt 70mm reel, which is spec to this. I just need. So I didn't even realize this, but the baggie came with the tool, so that's pretty good. It also came with 2 sets of screws that are other than the titanium. But in my opinion, the titanium looks really good. Okay, so here it is, all finished up. I have to wait to put the horn in because I don't have the quick release yet, but I will be getting that soon. So here's what the final product looks like.